Hello everyone, welcome to Ashok IT. In this video, we will learn how to find the sum of given list of elements using Python program. Alright, let's get started. Open PyCharm tool for developing the Python coding. Here, first create one list object for storing some elements into this object. List we are creating with comma separating elements in between the square bracket. Next, create one sum variable with initial value 0. Later, I want to access each value from this list object and adding to this sum variable. Finally, this sum variable contains a total sum of these all values and we can print this sum variable. That's it. So now check it. Create one for loop for accessing each value from the list object. Each value from the list object. Now this I value add to this sum variable guys. Sum plus I. This result again adding to this sum variable only. So this loop continuously repeating. Finally, in this sum variable, all these list of values are adding and then returns total sum value. Now print this sum variable outside the print statement. The sum is now sum variable. Now execute this program and check the output. See guys, the sum is 100. So now check it. I will explain this one. In the first iteration, I value is 10. Now inside the for loop, sum plus I expression is there. Sum value is 0 initially plus I value is 10. So finally, this result adding to this sum variable only. So this is 10 guys in the first iteration. Now next in the second iteration, I value is 20 guys. The second iteration, I value is 20. So now inside the for loop, expression is sum plus I is there. Sum value now 10 is there plus I value is 20. This result assigning to this sum variable 10 plus 20, 30 guys. Next, in the third iteration, I value is 30. I value is 30. Inside the loop, sum plus I expression is there. Now sum value is 30 and I value is also 30. Then finally this result assigned to this sum variable 60. Sum variable 60. And next fourth iteration guys. Fourth iteration. In this fourth iteration, I value equal to 40. Then inside the loop, sum plus I expression executing, sum value is 60. 60 plus I value is 40. Then result assigning to this sum variable, then sum equal to 100. Next, trying to executing fifth iteration guys. Fifth iteration. So now this list contains only 4 values. It means only 4 iterations only executing. Only 4 iterations only executing. So after completing iterations of this list object, then outside for loop statements executing. So when this print statement executing, then sum is 100 return. Sum is 100 return. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, subscribe to our channel